life ahead of you, and times get better too. You need a better view. Can you trust that you were made to fly from the dust that came from starry nights? Can you love that you were made just right? You were made to fly. You can save a life. You can save a life. Gonna hear a thing, but bitch, I'm getting louder. Cause the less I seem to say, the more I feel the power. Keep my discipline the same, I'm tracking every hour. And I know just what it takes to stay in and day out, never having any doubt. Steady, keep my head down, dig deep, that's when I found everything I need. Execution leads to a belief, stay consistently in a routine till I've earned everything. Are you gonna dream like you still believe? Are you gonna take what you really want? Are you gonna give everything? I'll never let go. I'll never let go. I'll wear the pain and do it all again. Do it every day. So I have no trip, it's a long script. White knuckle grip, hits different when you want it. I'm familiar with the grind, the exhaustion, fighting to survive. Got nothing in my pocket. I'm not consistent, the world will know I've been on a mission, no fishing. When I speak the word, they gonna listen. It's written, I can see the future, see the vision. Yeah, I see it. Now I'm gon' run it, get shit done, head down, straight on it. Discipline wins over skill, gotta want it. Fire inside and I like what I'm becoming. I know I'm worth something, I gotta keep trusting what I already know. That all of this work leads to something more. Open new doors leading to a new life, and I will walk through to the other side. To the other side. You said you do. Are you gonna dream like you still believe? Are you gonna take what you really want? Are you gonna give everything? I'll never let go. Okay, feel the hurt, erase the new star shines in a moonless night, a new scar finds somewhere dark to hide, but that won't be you. It's not your time, you got a whole lot to find while you're here alive. Yeah, each day is a new day, never the same, so get through. You can do this, choose to stay, okay? Don't take your life for granted, this whole universe dead, but you on this planet. I know life can feel like it's hard to manage, but this life is a gift like a tree was planted. And this world needs you and I need you too, so please push through, do what you need to do. I'll always be right here through the day and night, whether it's physical or not, know I'm by your side, yeah. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. I know mistakes were made and they all hurt today, but time will help them fade away. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. You got a life ahead of you and times get better too. You need a better view. Can you trust that you were made to fly from the dust that came from starry nights? Can you love that you were made just right? You were made to fly. You can say that's my friend. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. I wish you would step back from that ledge. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what